In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free.
Friends, to use this tool you have to type in Google Bing AI image.
Create here you can type your prompt in description.
And click on generate. After a few seconds, here is the result.
Button, click on image 2. Results, click on an image to see it from. Here you can download it or save it or. That's it, hope you liked it, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, also watch other tutorials in my channel, leave your comments below if you have any question.
Subscribe for more videos.